All right, this morning we're gonna recreate this AC hose. We're taking them out because, as you can see, they have a flare fitting. Instead of the O-ring fitting that's more modern, they actually have the flare on them. So we're getting rid of those because we're converting the system to R134. So we're gonna recreate them with new O-ring fittings. And what you do is you cut the hose to the appropriate length you need. And it is important, if you're putting a straight fitting on the end of a hose, you don't have to worry about clocking it how it is on there. But if a hose is like this, has two bent ends, you need to pay attention to how it's clocked. And you need to get your fittings as close as possible, clocked in the same direction as your old hose. And then you get out your dies. This is number 10 hose. So we'll put the number 10, you see the 10 on them. We'll put the number 10 dies in the crimper. They're magnetic, so it holds them in there. Okay, put it in. Put the pin in. Make sure the hose is fully seated. Make sure it didn't come out. Put the L-Titum ratchet on there. You'll feel the dies stop when it gets down there, when it gets all the way down. Okay, then you take it back off. And you have a perfectly crimped hose. Now, just repeat the step for the other end. And it's always good to check your clock position after you do one hose. Come back, check the other. Make sure it didn't turn. And then you can actually slide the hose back in. Crimp the second end. There you go. And to get it out, you can always pull a pin. Get them out easier. There you go. There's your brand new AC hose made. Now, make the little one the number 6 line. Crimp on the compressor lines, and then the line from the dryer. So, crimp those, and we'll be done for today. At least on this part. Then we'll work on the rest of the projects in here. All right, thanks for watching. And by the way, the tool is made by Mastercool. And let's see, does it say it's made in China? I'm sure it does, somewhere. Nope, doesn't say where it's made, but there you go. It actually does work pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you for today.